Flickity bloggity blue. Alright, so the first part of the vlog here, what I want to show you now, when I go, I collect some footage for edit. So that I show the inside of the building and all them something there. And then they have to stand up and wait for a taxi. When I finally get the taxi, I get a real Jamaican taxi. People don't know how I always find myself in them taxi. In a taxi mash down. People rain a fall hard. The taxi a leak. The window fog up. You see, you know, like in a regular car, when you have to wind up the glass, you pull the thing up. In a this one here, when you wind it up, yeah, down the glass I go. Now I show you footage. Look. Then some whole heap of water there on the roadside. I think to myself, say, yeah, we draw now. I eat this. Kevin too crazy, wash way. In the news this evening, popular social media comedian Kevin too crazy washed away in a taxi. People get a feel the water slap under the car, and the car never sturdy.
Town, crossroad town.
No sir, the people them do not want to go anywhere. I wish I could come out of this taxi. How for father this? Is foo for father this?
And this is what a rainy day in the life of Kevin looks like. Holy shit. Look. Flag soak. Pants, foot soak. You know what funny me I come up on the road in a shorty. Rough. And I like left me hard when you're in a fall to blood cage. I don't know Rasta. I try to get some food you know. I'm going go all up blouse and skirt fresh. And my clocks them soak. Them clocks I have to go wash. You have all kind of AIDS water running on my shoes. All kind of grungy, nasty water in my shoes, Jesus. Oh Father, God help me. So I saw the thing of Blackity. Look more.
In the second part of the vlog now, I show you how I cook soup.
Because my knife so sharp, I can peel the pumpkin nice and decent, you see me? Not to put a whole heap of pumpkin in my soup, you know? I have a little price range. But I normally buy, but usually decent for soup. So anything in the bills 50 range, that usually good for me drop in the soup, you see me? So any pumpkin will cost them price there. As for the time on the scallion, I don't know about the time on the scallion.
I see some time when we have the time on the scallion, the time, I don't really use time that much when I cook. So if I buy, it I go just get waste. Because I just see soup alone, I go put 2 little sprig in it. And then I not go end up use it for another time. So it I go just get waste. And the scallion now, I same thing, but the time I'm more so it I go get waste. When you can buy 2 little piece of scallion, you can't really do that with time. Then just bungle up the time in one big sitting gear already. If I did on the road now, maybe I could have take one portion of time but I know I could have just deal with quick. But in a supermarket where I bungle up already. You see me? That's how I deal with them right now. Them thing here. Right there. Camera battery I charge right there so. So I soon go back to the camera quality. You know so when you cut up the carrot you have to please, don't you? The carrot is not sweet. It don't sweet. It's not sweet. Well, go on, flickity flirking. Flickity flirking. But enough people don't know about them style of sharpen knife with scissors. And they don't know them style. And if you cut up the chicken foot, like cut off the 2 on them sitting there. If you work at one of the chicken company, tell them that people will pay to have chicken foot that already not have the whole heap of toenail panny and the yellow skin. People will pay for it. I don't know if them do it, but the supermarket when I go, I don't see it there. So I just put it out there in case nobody will work at the chicken company and tell them, make them pass it down to the bigger heads. Free idea for to make more money. I'm glad to sharpen the knife because it just skate through the chicken foot tips. It just skate through it wickedly. Like it just skate right through. You don't look all that so now. I'll try to just skate through this. Little bit of force that in people. Little bit of force. So anytime when I cut up chicken foot, make sure you on the sharp on the knife.
better and easier if you cut up your chicken foot. No, look, you know, make sure the camera. I hope the camera is. Look at it. Easy. You don't know the thing, you have to put in the chicken foot them first, right? So that your chicken foot them can cook and nice and tender and just cater off a bone when you mash it down, not true? Yeah man, that's how I deal with my thing. Then we have the massive one here. The chicken foot here massive. Humongous. Clean though. Clean every day me wake up. Right in the potting gone, you know. Head up! Follow me now. I don't know we got the soup, the tube. What we like to do is chew out the soup in a little bowl. That's what I say. Chew out the soup mix. It's not done yet. We still have soup in there. Look, focus right now. See there? Soup still in there. So we're going to pull the water on this. But what we like to do, we like to chew it in a bowl. Then I get some of the hot water from out of the pot. Put my stove on low. I don't know them chicken put over there, so I simmer. You see me? So we put the hot water on it and we make a little paste. So we stir out that. Stir out that. Then turn it in a little post joke. People splash out on the shirt a while ago. If I never have a good thing, I can put on shirt. If I never have on shirt, I would have got a soup gut. And not in the way I want it. So you see it create like a little paste. So when you go so boom now already to chew out this in a pot, you know, clump up. You know what I mean there? I teach you my style, you know, to learn. Remember me did talk about like the time and them thing them. I remember say time actually there in a soup mixer so. When you see them little black thing there, time. So even if I don't put none of the fresh time still go in there. So we are gonna create out this in the pot. Well, I'm gonna turn back my stove, make it go and bubble. I'm gonna put little more water on this and yeah man, I feel like I'm gas one done, but I'm not watching no face. Scrape out all of that, you see me? Scrape out that now. No clumpings, no go on. That's what I say. Scrape out all of that. Add in a little more water. And people, you don't need to put a whole heap of salt in the thing. That's what I like when the chicken foot them start do this, you know. When it start separate from the bone, you don't know say yeah that I get tender. So when you drop all the chicken foot in your mouth, where every single bit of meat just fly off. You see what I say? So we stir up that, you know. We have yam. We have some yellow yam in here. I don't know, we have the carrot in from earlier. And that's how the thing go. El gringo, el chapo. Then probably I go want to give me a cooking show after this. Now tell you, them I go want to give me a cooking show after this. El gringo, el chapo. I know I'm not going to say on a dumpling not reaching my party. Follow my style now. I'm going to drop in the dumpling them shortly. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to throw some more water upon this. You see, I'm going to throw on the water there. I make it come back up to a boil. So see it now, throw on the water. When that start boil again, I start putting the dumpling them, cook it for the next 20 minutes, maybe 15. I'm going to really make no big flunky dumpling. See them here? As some little dumpling man make, drop them in the pot. So you go some when you scrape up a spoon of soup. A spoon of soup. Yeah, when you get up a spoon of soup, you can take up all the dumpling in that. Get up! And also when you drop in a dumpling them now, the dumpling are going to really help thick you up. You see if the other things them not thick you up before, a dumpling are going to really give that little thickness there. Because you don't know, so when you want things to thick up, you drop in some flour, not true? You don't know them style, I teach you now. I teach you now. Chef too crazy, I teach you now. I give it a one store so them dumpling they can just, you know, find them own little place and go easy, yes it. Get a little one store. Make them dumpling they go build back over one place or under one part. And we make that simmer, you know. Make that simmer. Make it bubble like a chicken gravy. So a soup I cook and sweat or bust. Some people love eat their soup right away. I don't love eat my soup right away, you don't know. I have to make your soup sit down a little bit, make it flavor them
redistribute throughout the soup. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, man. So I make that go and cook now for the next 15 minutes. 15-20 minutes. Cause I say I like when my chicken foot them well tender. Like the meat just goes up. The meat just drop off of the bone. So You see what I'm saying? The timer go off, so that means 20 minutes up, so I take the pot off of the fire, I take it off of the hot side of the stove, and I make it sit down, I go and simmer, I go cover it up, I go now one last look to show how it's staying now, and then later on it I go get mashed up. See the people, finished product. Got the dumpling, we got the chicken foot, we got the yam, we got the carrots. Just zoom in a little bit and you're gonna see all of that. All of that niceness. This is going to get mashed down in a few. Big up on yourself for tuning in and watching you cook soup. We should have cooked this yesterday when the rain fall, but then we did up on the road so it wouldn't even make sense. Yeah.